In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo replace data in Google Sheets. We'll explore a few different methods to reverse changes, whether it happened through a find and replace action or a manual overwrite. Understanding how to use these tools effectively can save you time and prevent the frustration of having to re-enter data. So, let's dive right into it. When you're working in Google Sheets and you've just replaced data, the quickest way to undo this action is by using the undo command. On a Windows computer, you can easily do this by pressing Ctrl and Z together. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command and Z. What's great about this feature is that it's not just limited to the most recent change. If you've made multiple edits, you can continue pressing the keys to step back through previous changes until you've undone everything you need to. But what happens if you've made too many changes, or perhaps your session has timed out, and the regular undo command just doesn't cut it? This is where the version history feature comes into play. It's crucial for situations where you need to go a bit further back. To access this, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner, then select Version History, followed by See Version History. This will open up a panel on the right side of your sheet. Here, you can browse through older versions that have been automatically saved by Google Sheets. As you scroll through these versions, you can identify the version of your spreadsheet that suits your needs. Once you've found the right version, click on the three-dot menu located next to it and select Restore this version. This will revert your entire sheet to that specific point in time. Sometimes, though, you only want to recover specific pieces of data without reverting the entire sheet. This is where version history shines again. From the version history panel, open a previous version that contains the data you need. You can then highlight the specific cells or sections you wish to retrieve, copy them, and return to your current sheet. Simply paste the copied data into your active sheet, and voila! You've restored what you needed without losing any subsequent changes you've made since that version. These strategies ensure you're always in control, no matter what kind of overwriting has occurred. Remember, whether you swiftly use undo or take a deep dive into version history, Google Sheets gives you the flexibility to manage and rectify changes effectively. We hope this guide has empowered you with valuable skills to handle data replacements with confidence. Thanks for joining us today, and happy spreadsheeting.